What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, if you watched it, you'll see that I started stripping out my Renault Clio to get some weight out of it. And I got to a bit of a sticking point with the dashboard. So I thought it might be useful to single out a video just for removal of the dashboard. For somebody else who maybe got to this point and thought, oh, what's the next step? So, that's what this video is, dashboard removal. As you can see, I've already got to a stripped down point. You don't need to get to this point to remove the dash. If it's just the dash you need to pull out. The only thing you do need to do is remove this trim, which goes around here, which I believe needs the centre console removing. Very simple. Screw there, lift the gear surround up, and you've got screw there and there. Pop that off, unplug the 12 volt power. That comes away. To remove this trim, it just pops out from each side, nice and easy. Got that out of the way. Glove box off. You remove this trim here, which is this one. Just these little clips. Literally just leave it out. Just be careful so you don't snap it, especially in colder conditions. Just one of these. Pop it off. Undo the torque screws. There. In this end, there is another one which goes into there. And then one more inside the glove box, there. Glove box just pulls out, nice and easy. And that gets you to the point I'm at here. Next easy step is to remove this. Just pop this cover off here, which is just this. Pop the cover off so it gives you something to pull on. Grab it and simple as that. Then just lever it off gently. And you pull it out. Obviously you'll have to unplug some wiring, which you can get to, no you can't, I'm lying. To unplug some wiring, get rid of all that, and that's the next thing off. Right, next up, obviously all this needed to come off so we can get to all the gubbins. Pop this end plate off, undo a screw that goes in there, screw there, screw there, screw under there, boom, job comes off. We can get all that off. Let's ignore all this wiring, that shouldn't affect us. Next step will be the clocks. Right, so now you've got the surround out, steering wheel's low. Apparently getting the clocks out is really quite easy. Just get in the car. Probably easy if you've got a seat in. If you pull that bottom out, can't get my fingers behind it because I've got big hands. Yep, there we go. Just pull that. Try not to break anything, obviously. There we go. And if you look up there, I don't know if you can see, it's like a little pin. And you can pull the clocks back and just pull them out, unplug them, and away we go. Right, the steering wheel's got to come off. Well, it's easier with the steering wheel off. So, obviously you need to disconnect the battery and leave it 10 minutes. But to get the actual airbag itself off, there's a little hole down there, which you poke a screwdriver through, and there's like a little metal wire. If you look at the back of the airbag there, which you push up, unhook it from that little aluminium hook. At the same time, you've got to try and leave the bottom out and unhook the top. Then obviously you've got a couple of plugs for your airbags and the horn. Oh, once that's off, just undo that centre. Oh, get the screwdriver. Undo that centre, and the steering wheel will come away. with a little bit of wiggling, obviously. Right, and that's where we are. That's all out, all off. And the reason we do that is so we can get to all the dash bolts. If I just jump in here, you've got a bolt, a screw, sorry. There, there, another one over there, and then one on the end of the dash, same as this one, and then the entire dash should come away. Out. There was actually a couple more bolts and screws that I didn't realise. There was one screw behind there. Just pop that out, leave it out of the way. You can get to it. You can't see it, but it's in there, about there. And then there was two bolts that hold the airbag to the crash bar, which were under there and there. And then the dashboard is out. Obviously I can't show you the dashboard out because there's only one of me in it. Ideally it's a two-person job. So yeah, hope that's been useful. Catch you on the next one.